And listen, the secret solution I have 3 of them soaking in a trash can right now. And after the weekend, I pull them out, and I could put them on eBay, sell them as brand new. I don't want to keep them.
The sealed bellows, the whole bellows, yes. The door bellow.
It'll look brand new, and it doesn't damage it. It doesn't. And I'm talking like those stains that I've tried back before I had the solution. I literally took a grinder and tried it just because you can't get it off. It's a stain.
Oh wow.
Yeah. So
I got one with a bunch of stains right now. So I bought this other product. It's like active, I think, right?
Yeah.
I bought this product off Amazon, but it's not active. So I'm going to try it out this week to see if it actually works.
So
it's
here, let me get
random product.
All right, listen, I'm not going to gatekeep it. I was just hoping somebody would ask me. It's like sounds smart. Yeah. So I used to get this stuff. All right. And I actually have been trying to reach out to him for a brand deal. So I'm not going to mention any names. But it's an expensive solution. And it is, I believe it's 10% sodium hypochlorite. You know what that is? I'm on my fancy word day. Sodium hypochlorite.
Huh? Well, it's basically your chloride, right? Chlorine.
Yes.
But
you got it.
It's hypochlorine. Yes.
Yeah. So it's bleach. That's all that is. It's bleach. But that bleach is usually 4 to 5% sodium hypochlorite. And then pool shock is between 8 and 12%. And you want to get the 8% to the best. Don't think the higher is not better in every case. And look, I've got every shirt I own has a white spot.
So, yeah. But I've heard of the pool shock. Yeah. I've heard of the pool shock on the bellows before.
Oh, yeah. So here's the thing: you can't do it with it on. And this is why every front load washer I smell smells amazing. So, and I'm saying, I mean, I take a little more time than I should, but so no matter what, you're stripping everything. You're not going to pull a basket on a front load washer, and if you do, I admire you and your courage.
Yeah,
but
good luck.
You're definitely going to pull the boot off. You're going to get your get the counterweights off, and then once you take the back part of the boot all the way off, you're going to spray some, just spray it in there.
Yeah, and it dissolves itself. Get the pressure washer down in there, right? That's what I do.
Yeah. So instead, I don't have a pressure washer. I just have this. I made a little tip from a garden hose, and then I made my little solder stuff. Anyway, it's a little fine stream, and it's like a miniature pressure washer that just comes off your sink. So I spread bleach in there, and you spray it out. And sometimes if
it comes right out,
it eats itself. It's like remember that movie Jack Black played where he had the can of stuff that made the poop. There's Poobyon, and you'd spray it on there, and the poop just disappeared. That's what it's like.